Here are some common vitamins and their functions in the body. Vitamin A helps maintain healthy vision, skin, and mucous membranes. It also plays a role in immune function and reproduction. Vitamin B1, thiamine, helps the body convert food into energy and supports nerve and muscle function. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, helps the body break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats for energy. And supports healthy skin, eyes, and nervous system. Vitamin B6 helps the body produce neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and sleep. It also supports immune function and the production of red blood cells. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage by free radicals. It also supports immune function, wound healing, and the absorption of iron. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for bone health. It also plays a role in immune function. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage by free radicals. It also supports immune function and helps to maintain healthy skin and eyes. It's important to note that these are just some examples of the functions of common vitamins, and there are many other vitamins and minerals that play important roles in the body. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources can help ensure that you get all the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video.